Hi, this is Shannon Albert from www.prepschool.com, and today I wanted to talk to you about what's in my park bag these days. Let's go. So I have my whole bag dismantled here so I can show you what I keep in it for going to the parks. I do want to say though that when I had little kids, my park bag was a whole backpack with lots of stuff for little kids, including bubbles for them to do, snacks, things like that. Now my only little kid is my dog. But if you want more information that is kid related, I'll link in the description to the park bag post that pertains to that. But nowadays in the parks, I am mostly just there to take care of things that I need. And in the current times, there are some special things that I am including that I haven't before. So everything I mentioned will be linked in the description if you're interested. But let's go ahead and get started with the bag. So this is my purse. And the reason I wanted to mention my actual purse, because this is my park bag, is that I chose it specifically for the parks. Like, it is definitely my purse I use at home, but I'm there so much that I wanted to choose something that would work for both. So what I like about this is it's a Fossil brand crossbody, and they're larger than your average crossbody, which I like. And just as importantly is this strap. Now, the negative reviews for this, mostly they're positive, but the only negative reviews that it gets on the Fossil website are that people wish the strap was leather like the bag, but I actually love this seatbelt kind of material because when you have it on all day, it's super comfortable, especially if you start piling in water bottles and things that are a little bit heavier. I like this for this reason. So this is the Maya crossbody bag from Fossil, and I love it. Now, inside is obviously my wallet that matches. I did want to point out that I take out my Tables in Wonderland annual pass and ID separately because people will often ask for it. And so just to have easy access, I might put it in an outside pocket, which makes it more convenient. I also do have a clear bag with toiletries. Now this bag I started doing because of the old security system at Disney World, because they would constantly open your bags to look through it, and it was just easier if it was clear that they would be able to look at it very quickly and move on. But I just still use it because I already had it. So I have wet wipes, tissues, I do a little travel size deodorant because, you know, gotta freshen up midday. You know, just the basics that you would expect in any purse, but it's got a couple extra things for the parks, including that little travel size deodorant. I also have, this is new for 2020, I got these reusable bottles on Amazon, and they have carabiners attached, and I attach it to my purse so that I always have access to antibacterial gel. Now you'll see I have a bunch, so I'm loaded up for my next trip and I won't have to worry about it. And I refill them with a big bottle like this. So I would never have to run out. I don't have to, you know, go hope that it's in stock somewhere when it's kind of difficult to find sometimes. So I keep this attached to the outside for easy access. I also have 2 of these bags. Now you will see that they market it as like liquids. When you go on the airplane, you have to separate out your liquids. That's not how I'm using them though. I am using this one for masks. This is my disposable masks, will go in here to keep them clean. If you use reusable masks, you will want a bag like this for clean and one for dirty, so you can separate them inside your bag. The other one is for metals. You've heard us talk about this, how in the way that you do liquids at the airport, you need to do metals because of the metal detectors in the parks. So all my metal things are in here, including my inhaler, Altoids, external batteries. So I have several because my battery goes down. This is one I got on Amazon, but these are fuel rods, and they sell these in the parks. If you previously purchased fuel rods, you need to go ahead and become a founder to continue to get them unlimited. When we first bought these fuel rods, they said they were gonna be free forever, and then they changed their mind. And so now you have to go online, fill out a form, and you can get founder status. So I now have unlimited exchanges forever, but I had to go through some steps to get there. Link in the description on how to do that. And then I have a handheld fan, you know, super hot. So we have to have fans. It feels nice. I got pink because it's cute. So anyway, that's all of my metals in one, except for my umbrella. Umbrella is separate. And I will put these in the security bucket as I go through. This umbrella is less than 7 inches long. It fits very easily into a purse, and when it's expanded, it is full size. So it is the smallest umbrella I could find, a travel umbrella, and that was also full size, so it can protect from the rain and sun in Florida. So I like having those. This is not in my purse, but I wanted to mention it. This is a USB hub that I am taking to Florida with me next time and leaving in my owner's locker, storage locker, because all of these things that have USB chargers, the phones, the little fan, external batteries, all of that, the hotel rooms are not all upgraded to have USB ports, and I kept running out of charge last time because I was in an older room. So I got this to keep there so I can plug it in the wall and just have USB. So if you have something like that at home, you might consider bringing it. Obviously, magic bands, everyone has to wear those or have a park ticket to use. I also have one of these. I can't remember if this has a name, but it's the thing that allows you to touch things. So if you're at an elevator, you can push the button with this instead of, you know, using your hands and then having to use antibacterial soap because you touch something that has germs. So there's that. And earbuds. You never know when you're gonna listen to a video. You don't wanna be that jerk in the park that's listening to videos and music and everyone else is overhearing it. In addition to everything that I have here, there will obviously also be water bottles and sunscreen that will be needed in the park. So anyway, that all fits surprisingly into my bag and can last throughout the whole day. So hopefully that's helpful. I can link to a packing list and what's in my child-friendly park bag in the description. But if you have any other ideas, please leave it in the description. Thanks for watching.